Hi, good morning, good evening to all of you wherever you are. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create user stories in Jira. So be with me as I take you through Jira and create user stories and show you. Now coming to Jira to create the user stories. So I will select my project from the projects drop down, click on the project where I want to add the user story. By default it opens the board page. Now I'll go to the backlog option to add a story. As I scroll down, you can see the backlog. This is the list of items which is the to-do list for the project. It includes stories, tasks and defects, and it can also contain other items if required, but that needs to be configured by the admin. By default, there is a provision of 3 things only: story, bug and task. So I will select story and I'll say, as a bank customer, I want to see my credit card last statement so that I can pay the bill. Then I press the enter and this user story is final. Now if I have to make the modifications, I click on it and I go here and I can click on this, and here I can make the modification and click on this sign so that it gets modified. I can also attach a document which describes the user story in details. For example, creating a user story card and adding the details as a Word document or in other format, PPT and so on. I can also link this user story to other items, other stories, other tasks and defects and other things, because user stories may be related to each other or may be dependent on something. So then I can click on relates to and choose the right user story from here. This allows, you can not only add one, but you can have multiple stories here or multiple items from the backlog here, and click on link. Now Jira identifies how these stories are connected. We can also assign it to somebody, a team member who is supposed to do this. We can add the sprint, which also adds the priority to this user story. You can also add some additional fields by choosing the configure option, which we'll discuss in Jira course. And also there is a provision to have discussion amongst the team members so that they can collaborate. So this is the way you can add a user story into a product backlog in Jira. So this is how we create user stories in Jira. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to create tasks and issues and manage them in Jira. Thanks for watching. If you've liked the video, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.